So today's video, honestly, we are just going to be, what do you call it? We're going to be camping. We found this cool spot. We're going to be camping. It's just to be me though. We got Northeast and Ryan up here. I'm riding one of Ryan's bike. So I'm a solo camper today. We're going to grab my camping stuff right now. But after that, we're to set up camp, and then we're gonna go home after a little bit. So we'll see that. See you guys here shortly. So we got all my camping stuff, as you can tell. We're on the trail. We're on the road to the campsite. Still on the bike. Might hit some trails tonight. I know there's a bunch of trails back here. Brought my helmet just in case. First we're to set up camp though, and then we're to start a fire first. It's getting a little chilly out. And then once they leave, I'm probably to hit some trails late at night, see what it's all about. But I'll get back to you guys when I'm at the campsite. We got 2 batteries with me, and I have a little power bank to charge everything tonight. So we made it to the campsite. We're to start this fire.
It's recording.
Well, we're gonna start the fire.
Oh, that's beauty. Oh, look at that.
We got the fire started. Northeast and Ryan are still here before they leave. We got camp started up back here. Kind of start seeing my trail. I climb back here through the wilderness real quick. There's camp for the night. And we gotta head back through the wilderness to get to the campfire. So hopefully it doesn't get too cold. We'll have to be by the campfire all night. So hit some trails later tonight. Should be fun. This is them leaving. Bye-bye. Well, Ryan and Northeast just left, so ready to go hit some trails. When we get on the trails, you guys are to be in my mouth, so I'm not gonna be talking much, and you might hear some weird sounds because I've never been on these trails, so this should be fun. All right, whoa.
Feels heavy on your chest. I wish I could carry the weight all on my back. Colors now faded. There's only so much hope in that. I can't do what I'd rather lose than lose you. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to be you again.
Uh-oh. So I went off the trail. Surprised I did not crash there. So this is where I'm at. A bunch of thorn bushes. Here's where I'm at, in a bunch of thorn bushes. There's the trail. Here I'm at. So we're to get this unstuck real quick. You guys are going back in the mouth. Oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 huh. Huh. Alright, we're back on the trail. Let's keep running.
Are you scared? I can see you from behind. You can hear me in your...
So much crashed into this big log. Got a notification. Alright. We're gonna go over this big log and I think we're nearing the end, so we'll see. Alright. Hello.
Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared?
I kind of know where we are. So we're to head back to the campsite. I'll see you guys once we get back to the campsite. Maybe back to the campsite. Fire's almost gone. Gonna have to rebuild that. Just put in another time lapse. Excuse me, I'm gonna put in another time lapse. Gotta warm up my little fingers on that little trail ride. But we're gonna put in a little time lapse and hopefully you can see. So currently it's around 10. As you can see, it's 9:55. 9:55. We got this big stump or log burning. It's probably to burn into the morning. I'm probably to go to bed around, I don't know, 12 or something. But doing a little nice check-in. Just dropped my water. I brought me a Pop-Tart and goldfish. And that's my battery box, and then yeah, in the daylight you actually be able to see camp, so it'd be cool. I'll show you guys it. But yeah, it's cool. So I'll check in right before I go to bed. My camp's in there in the woods. You can't see that far, but I'll check in right before I go to bed. Bye bye, or see you in a little bit. The GoPro died. I'm gonna head to bed right now. It's probably around, let me see. It's about 12 right now. I'm gonna head to bed. This fire should die down here soon. Let's get to my campsite back here and head to bed. I'm gonna be sleeping here. Get you guys if anything strange happens during the night, or if not, wake up in the morning. So, see you guys. Hey guys, about like 2 a.m. I just heard a weird sound. I'm gonna stay up a little bit, see if I hear it again. But I don't know what it was. It was like a weird animal or something. was very loud. Somewhere over this way. I have no idea though. I'm gonna stay up a little bit longer. I'll let you guys know if I hear it again. There's a deer right there. I think it's a deer. Alright, I had no idea what that was. I got out of my hammock. When I got out, it didn't sound like anything like ran away. I wonder what it was. So we're to start up this campfire. And get nice and warm. It's a bit chilly out. Pretty cold that you can see my breath. And yeah, get this campfire started. Sun's starting to rise. You got the fog on the lake. It's cool. Must have been a boater passing by. There's some wakes. Take a walk on the little rock beach here. Got the fire going. Didn't really have to, I brought gasoline, but didn't really have to use any because there was so much hot coals left from last night. There was no need to use any. But this is kind of cool. Dang, that bird scared the crap out of me. I don't know if you could hear it. Right before I got up, it was pitch black because I didn't want to turn my flash on. Because there was something like moving probably less than 5 feet away from me. So I didn't want to scare it off or anything, because who knows, if I scared it off, it could have ran into me. So I waited until it left, and it didn't leave for about, I don't know, like 20 minutes. I was kind of getting scared, and it finally just stopped. So I got out of the hammock, and it didn't run away. It didn't, like, nothing ran away. So who knows where it's at. But that was my little night terror. Yeah, the fire's going good though. Didn't have to use any gasoline. Pretty happy about that. So if I wanted to make it bigger, I could. But Ryan and Northeast should be here in about an hour. The GoPro should be charged now. Let me find it. Yeah, the GoPro should be charged now, so we're gonna do a time lapse until they get here. So this is what we're sitting at right now. It's way darker. This phone makes it seem way lighter, but on the GoPro, that's actually how dark it is. So let me find this GoPro and get a time lapse going.
I'm coming closer.
It's a little bit more day now. You can actually see the fog coming off better. Get the nice sunrise. Got the nice fog coming off. Yeah, as far as I can see. But we got a nice campfire going up here. It's probably around like 7:30. Still a little cold. It's probably still like 30 out. So it's still definitely a little chilly. But we got a nice little campfire going. Try and burn this big piece of log. Here we'll go to this other place where you can see it better. We got all the frost on the grass. It's getting all on my tire. It's all frozen grass. Now you can really see the fog off the water. Oh, look, it's a beaver. That's cool. I think that's what was probably making all the noise by me. Let's get closer to this. Oh, look at that. Another beaver. Oh, that's not a right beaver, that's a raccoon. I've never seen a raccoon swim before. Look at it. Just staring at me. Probably feels good in there. It's probably way warmer than the air out here. Just staring at me. What are you doing? All raccoons are fat. Well, I'm gonna go back to my campsite. My hands are getting a little cold. Whenever I walk away, it walks away. Alright, well, we'll let the raccoon be. There's a lot of fog out though. Beautiful sunset so far. I'm gonna make it back to the campsite though. Fine, I'm just warming up my feet by the fire. Steaming. Feels good though. They finally showed up. Got me some breakfast. Baby. Got some pancakes, some bacon, some tea. At the top of a tree right now. Right down there, we're doing some landscaping right now.
Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared?